Guys, how y'all doing? So I'm going to attempt to do a Tuesday to-do list. Yeah, so it's already 2:15. Yeah, so and I'm no longer going to be doing car chats. So I'm just going to do a little chat like when I'm parked somewhere, because I decided I don't think driving and filming is a good idea, unless I'm just filming the road or something. But still, anyway, I'm not gonna go into detail of that. Y'all get it. So even though that's when I do my best thinking, is when I'm driving. So, and you know, I can talk to you and drive at the same time and kill two birds with one stone. So I have a to-do list to do. I just jotted down a couple of things, and I'm realizing I need to put Goodwill on there too. So I don't know how much I get done, seeing how it's face looks really red, seeing how it's 2:16 already. So yeah, just gonna get my butt out the door. My friends here on YouTube, Luann from It's Always Something Around Here and Dee from DITL Life, have been texting me and trying to motivate me and trying to motivate them. That's helping. The weather is really nice. It's 77. It's actually kind of hot. And the AC don't work on my car. I need to get that fixed. So, there's that. I think the first thing I'm gonna do is get a haircut. It's driving me insane. I was gonna do that later, but, and I have to go check on my dad. He has a nurse that's been coming out to him for physical therapy. I don't know, or maybe it's just physical therapist that the doctor ordered in January for like 4 weeks, twice a week, checking on him. And his blood pressure was really low today. So, but we have a blood pressure thingy. And my brother, he lives with him, and he checked it again, and then it was like 90, and now it's 117. So I don't know why it was so low. So she said to monitor it and go to the ER if necessary. So I'm gonna go check on him. Gary's watching him. I'm sure he's fine. He is taking a medicine that that's why the doctor had somebody come out there to monitor him, I guess. That she was worried that his blood pressure would get too low, and we've been checking it. Anyway, so we'll see how that goes, and I can maybe show you that pill thingy that I was talking about if anyone is curious about it. It's an automatic pill thing. We set him up earlier in January, and it's working pretty good. He's taking his pills every day. The alarm goes off, and it's easier for him. He does not like it because he wants to do it on his own, but that ain't happening. I think he's been missing his pills and stuff. So he got it for like $60 on Amazon, and we just have to fill it up like once a month, and Gary monitors him taking it, and yeah, lets us know if there's a problem. Anyhow, so I think the first thing I'm going to do is go get a haircut. Yeah, this is why I like the window mount thingy, because I think of these things, and then if I wait till I get to somewhere to park, I'll forget what to tell you. So I already forgot. I'm just backing out of my driveway, you know, there ain't nobody here, so no danger. What was I gonna say? So I remember I took an Epsom salt bath last night. I feel so much better for doing that. But let me tell you, you know, why do I procrastinate doing that? Because it's work. It's work getting this big girl in and out of the tub, and yeah, it's a little bit of work, but I feel so much better. I think I slept better. And I actually was on my phone last night. That's something I need to change, is when I go to bed, not do my phone. Anyway, I've been having a little bit of insomnia lately, just the last week or so. Not falling asleep till like 3 o'clock. I don't know if it's my medicine kicking in. Sometimes that happens. So, what was I gonna say? So, Oh, so I was looking up getting a massage from Massage Envy. Anybody use them? It's a company, whatever. It's new around here. I actually started to make an account and then I clicked out of it. So I'm still playing with the idea of, I just have that uncomfortability factor thing going on there, and you're too close. This is better, right? It's just hard to hold the camera. And I can't find my mount thingy anyway. So I was gonna put it on there on the window just for, and then take it off when I'm driving. And yeah. All right, I'm gonna go because this is getting late already. To see what I look like? Whoa. I decided to get it dyed. Oh my gosh, it's really dark. It's actually not that dark. It's just haven't been done in so long. I actually feel like myself again. And plus it looks a little darker because one, I'm in the car, so maybe I'll show you what it looks like in the sunlight, and two, I didn't get highlights. I've been getting highlights for years, and I didn't. Why do I see just a teeny piece of gray showing through? I don't know. I feel better. I like it. Yeah, I was feeling old. And yes, can we talk about this? One, face is all red. I don't know what's going on with that lately. It could be my medicine. Maybe it's too much. I am going to the doctor in March in Malabar to get that done again. And the other thing is, I'm super puffy, and actually hubby has been saying, have you gained weight? Oh my gosh. And I haven't gained weight. I've been weighing myself. I weigh myself every day. I've done that forever. I have only maybe gained 3 pounds, and this is gluten. Been there, done that before. Showed y'all pictures of it. Yeah, of the before and after. And yeah, it looks like, and I feel like I've gained 20 pounds. In fact, I was going to wear a pair of leggings today and put them on, and they felt too small. Even though I haven't gained any weight, because gluten causes inflammation. I mean, all the shirts that I put on, they're tight around the arm. And that's not 3 pounds. Anyway, that 3 pounds is like up 3 pounds one day, down the next, up, down, up, down. I have been super bad about eating gluten. I got my eyebrows waxed, so that's why it's a little bit red. And yeah, that's not a good view. I don't know, that's better, right? All right, I don't know how much, I have no idea what time it is. I guess I'm gonna go check on my dad, and I don't know if I have time to go. I want to get a pedicure, and I don't know how much time I have. I think I need to go check on my dad first. Maybe I'll make this a 2-dayer and go out tomorrow too and get a pedicure. Maybe I'll get that massage tomorrow. I got my hair cut. I went and go checked on my dad and got some groceries. I've been doing terrible on groceries, only going every couple days. Yeah, I want to get back on a regular grocery schedule. Aldi's 1 week, Publix the next. Yeah, that's just not happening right now. This is the way it is. End up picking up a few things, and a couple days later picking up a few things. Anyway, my dad was fine. His blood pressure was fine. I think I said it was 80. I meant 80 over whatever. I don't remember what it was. I think Gary took it and it was 117 over 60. Still kind of low, but not bad. So he was fine. I said, eat something. He hasn't been eating. He lost 15 pounds last time I went to the doctor. And I forgot to show you the pill thing. I'll just put a link down below where you can get it on Amazon. It has an alarm on it. It's automatic. It has 28 days worth of slots where you can put the pills. So I filled those up for him. Well, I did a few of them. I got to go back out there on another day and fill them all up. He'll be out in 6 days. So, yeah, so I ended up staying there for a little bit and talking to Gary about some stuff, and yeah, now it's late and I gotta go home and make hubby some dinner. So that's it. If I feel like vlogging tomorrow, I will. I want to go get a pedicure and go to the chiropractor, and I gotta run a couple other errands. That's it, guys, for this video. Until next time, enjoy your day.